Presenting the Dodge 2018 Journey Crossroad. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, manufacturer's statement of origin, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT included, flex fuel vehicle 3.16 axle ratio dual bright exhaust tips engine oil cooler, blood orange clear coat, wheels, 19-inch x 7 inches black noise aluminum, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, front license plate attachment screws, quick order package 28V Crossroad included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE light gray accent stitching and front-wheel drive. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.